I've had this information on my computer for days, and I'm going to finally upload this video, record this video. I sold, over the past couple of weeks, I sold stocks, and I took some of the money and I reinvested to hold for the long term in the hopes of profiting big. I'm crossing my fingers. Before I share all the stocks that I sold and the stocks that I bought, if you do choose to invest, please use my Webull referral link in the description below. Right now, with an initial deposit of $100, they keep extending it. They're giving away 3 free stocks. I believe between, I think it's $8 to either $1,400 or $1,600. But the point is, you will get more for your money. If you are new to investing, please use my Webull link in the description below. And then you could do the same and earn some more free stocks by passing along your referral link. I have everything in order. These are 2 companies, and I have it all. I'll show you in a moment. These are 2 companies that I sold. This one did a reverse split something, and I just wanted to get rid of it because the few companies I'm investing in for the long term, I have a real interest in to stay up to date with their growth. So I had 13 shares in this company, Energy Focus Inc., and it's saying that I spent $19.40, but I cashed out when it was worth $93.86, and I made a profit of $74.46. And this one I had 25 shares. Well, I didn't do this. This one did a reverse split too. I don't believe I did this. I bought these when I really didn't know what I was doing, so I got lucky. So I took my money back to break even and to make a small profit. And I cashed out when it was at $130, and I made a profit of $37.95. The next one, Baytex Energy. I remember doing that from Robinhood. 1601, they were 21 cents each. I had 75 shares, sold at $25.51, made a profit of $9.50. Got my money back. And doing this, buying these stocks in Robinhood very low, and I transferred everything over to Fidelity because I like Fidelity. I learned a lot. So this wasn't a waste of time. I gained a little profit, not much, and I'll break it down for you. I'll show you in a moment what my profit was in total. And this one, you can see I made a profit of $18.95. I'm not going to explain every single one. I'm just showing you this to prove to you that I sold these and made a small profit. This one, Tetra Technologies, I made a profit of $6.95. These 2, whatever these companies are, oil and gas and whatever else, I made a $42 and $45 profit and $67.59 profit. And remember, you got to pay taxes on this profit, guys. So it's not as much as you think. But I want to invest. I'm reorganizing my portfolio. That's what I'm doing. And I'm selling when I at least break even and receive a little profit. 16 cents this one. Oh, maybe, I'm sorry, $4.88. This one was $36.81 profit. This one, $27.75 profit. And I'm more comfortable investing. I'm not so afraid, which is good. there's a lot of research involved if you plan on investing for the long haul. I did sell 25 shares of my waiter because I needed some money back because I'm doing some things and I'm using my profit to get them done. SunWest Energy, $13.95 was my profit. And here we go. I put them all together. The total that I spent was $584.67. Not all at once. Most of them are mistakes I did at Robinhood, and I had them transferred, and now I'm selling them off a little bit. I'm not passionate about these companies, so I don't want to be in them. I did keep some waiter because I'm not sure how I feel about that, but I'm more passionate about other companies. And when you count all my profits, it came out to $865.92. So $865.92, you minus the $584.67, that's what I spent on it. My total profit was $281.25. But I live in New York State, so I times it by 30% because you got to pay taxes on it. So my total profit, give or take a couple of pennies, guys, is $196 and 875 cents. But I gained experience. I learned a lot. I learned about warrants. I learned about margins. I'm really happy Fidelity trained me the way they did and told me that you want a cash account, because all of a sudden I understand what a margin is, and I'm not someone who needs a margin portfolio or investment. That's not my cup of tea. So this was great practice. I did a good job. When all said and done, I made a small profit, and I gained a lot of knowledge, a lot of experience, and I'm much more comfortable. I learned a lot. That's what it comes down to. I learned a lot. I did buy with some of my money that I took some and I transferred it back to my checking account. I bought 150 shares of Rolls Royce. I wish I bought it earlier. This was like 150 a long time ago. I'm going to leave this in there for a while. This is going to be a little emergency fund because, I already have a profit of $53.99. And just the other day, it was over $3. I just have a good feeling about this company. It felt right. Did some research. Now, this company, I'll close all these windows in a moment. You know what? And I'll show you. It's a company that, it's in dentistry. And it's a machine, I'll show you in a moment, in the health sector. And I really believe in their vision. I did research. I read about the company. They continue to have conference calls. They're speaking about their last quarter revenue past their own expectations. So I bought 500 shares at 31 cents a share. So yeah, it's in the red, but this is long term. I'm not going to touch this for a long time. I will follow this company. I have periodontal disease, so I found it interesting. I wanted to invest in another company to diverse my portfolio, and I came across this company, and I have a good vibe about it, and I feel about 5 to 10 years from now, these should be worth $50+. I'm just taking a guess. That's just my gut feeling. A lot of research goes into investing, guys. It's exhausting. People who are day traders, they must be exhausted all the time, especially day trading other people's money. This one, now this I've spoken about, and I bought 500 more shares, and my average is 3 cents a share. I'll show you again. This is about oil rigs and out. I'll show you in a moment. So yeah, they're in the red, but I'm also in the plus, and this is long term. I'm not going to touch this. I'll show you this in a moment. I got those two tabs open to those two companies. You know, I could do it now. And I will do it now. Hold on. Let me get rid of all of these. It was hard getting these all together because there's a lot of information to share. Guys, this is for entertainment purposes. I'm just showing you what I chose to do with my money and how I invested and how much I've learned. And I took a chance. I'm someone who didn't start investing until 2019, so I think I'm doing pretty good. That company I spoke about, BioLaser, it's advancing dentistry. It's a laser product. It gets really deep underneath the gums. It helps prolong the life of teeth, and it goes deeper into the soft tissue. And it's you want to learn more about it, you read about it, because I believe in that company. I wanted to reinvest some of my money, and this is a company that I felt confident investing in. And this I've showed you before. It's an offshore drilling contractor for the oil and gas industry. And it's the most modern, versatile, and technically advanced fleets in the offshore drilling industry. You can read more about it. I continue to read more about it. I mean, the terminology I'm becoming more familiar with. I continue to learn. I continue to invest. And this is an investment that I won't touch for a very long time. And I've been doing a lot more research in addition to that. Let me see where that picture is. And this is no joke. I've been studying crypto because digital is becoming more in demand, more widely used every day by everyday people, and it's right in front of your face. Bitcoin is yesterday's news already. There are more opportunities out there to invest really low. That it's another opportunity. And I'm going to record future videos about crypto. I've been doing a lot of studying, watching 4 to 6 hours listening to videos and learning, taking the time to learn about crypto. Because if you didn't hear, the stock market and the crypto, they want to collaborate. Like, the crypto is going to come into play with the stock market, guys. And it's a lot closer than you think. Like tomorrow, not 5 years from now, not 3 years from now. I think it's going to be sooner than that. So stay tuned for future videos. I've been investing in crypto too. And it's an opportunity to invest very low so you get more bang for your buck. You get more of a prize for investing a little bit of money, that it's obtainable. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is a lot to learn. I'm going to sell more stocks off that I don't really have a passion about, and I have reinvested in other companies, but I'll save that for next week or the next couple of weeks. It's too much to tell in one video. I hope you enjoyed. Please use my referral link in the description below if you want to invest with using Webull, because they're giving away free stocks. Check it out. Get more bang for your buck. I'll see you soon, folks. Have a good one. Bye.